So you want to sell more houses because more houses means more cash in your pocket. But you're hustling hard already. So what's the answer? The answer lies in the future. Viva Vegas 3D offers the highest quality 360 virtual property tours that you can embed on your website, social media, and even MLS listings, allowing potential buyers to tour your properties digitally from the comfort of their own home. And did you know buyers are 95% more likely to call on a listing with a 3D tour, saving you loads of time, closing your listings twice as fast, and scaling your business? Agents who outsource for professional marketing content also earn twice as much commission as those who don't. So which one will you be? Book your tour with Viva Vegas today.